Hi everyone, welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner. Today in this video, we will see how you can use GIF in Power BI report background to make it look more attractive and to transform your reports. So simply what you have to do, you have to open PowerPoint app, and once you open it, then you have to create a new slide, and then you have to click on insert. Here you can find the option for the video section. You have to click on it, and then you can select stock videos. Once you select this, all the GIF options will be available here, so you can search for whatever your requirement is. Let's say I want to create a report something related to railways, so I can search simply railway. So you can see here I've got a GIF related to it, so I can simply click on it and then click on insert, and you can play this and see this is working fine. So if you want to add report title or anything on this, then you can add it, and then you have to simply go to file, and then you have to save, click on save as, and then you can save this page particularly in the animated GIF format. Once you save this, your GIF is ready. Then all you have to do is you have to go to Microsoft Power BI, and then in the format pane you can find the option for canvas background. Here you can click on browse. So as you can see, I have already created some GIFs, so I will simply click on it. You can see that the presentation we have created is saved here, so I will click on open, and then we have to reduce the transparency to 0%, and the GIF will appear in your report. Then you can adjust the fit of your image. So right now you can see there is some white background also appearing, so you can simply click on fit so that it will exactly fit according to your report size. And if you are unable to find your GIF in Microsoft PowerPoint, then you can alternatively go to canva.com and simply search here whatever your requirement is. And let's say I want to create something related to fire, so I will search fire GIF, and here I got so many GIF. I can open any one of it, and then I can edit it accordingly. You can find many other options too. So in this way you can create GIF and import it into report Power BI report as a background. So that's all about this video. Thank you.